Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold did make a pretty nice push down yesterday. One thing you need to notice is that it didn't break structure. So there is definitely a chance, no matter what I'm saying now, there is a chance that it just keeps on going up. It's actually a pretty good chance of that because we never had a break of structure to the downside. But I would look at this as more likely being a proper correction more than likely, which means it's probably an A, which means it's probably going to be like a wave B, which means it'll probably go up towards these highs and then turn back down for a wave C. I would definitely expect to see a more proper ABC correction like this, maybe head down to a fib level before we actually make that push up again for the continuation of the higher time frame. So one thing I need to mention is that today is tariff day, and it's possibly going to be a very, very volatile day. It's Liberation Day, according to Trump, so it's going to be a pretty wild day, possibly. So make sure you're using proper risk management and definitely stay safe. I'm drawing this out as most likely being an ABC correction like this, but like I said, it could literally just shoot up again pretty easily, especially with the fact that the trend is up on literally every single time frame. So be very careful if you are trying to go short. I think we need to be very careful today anyways because of the tariff news that will be dropping later on today. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.